upload a CD to your computer and to Google Drive, you want to insert the CD into the computer, and then launch Windows Media Player, and click on the CD right here. And it should show you the tracks. Sometimes, if the tracks are not labeled, you want to right-click on each one, hit Edit, and then type in a title. And you also want to right-click on the title of the CD and edit that to include the album name and artist. Before you start, you want to click Organize, Options, Rip Music, and under Format, click on MP3 to make sure that it works with Macs. And then go ahead and hit Apply, and then click OK. And once you're done, go ahead and click on one and do Control A to select all of them. You also want to that check mark so it selects all of those. And then click Rip CD. And it'll take a little while, like so. Go ahead and go to Google Drive on the web browser and click on New, Folder Upload, and then you want to find the folder on your computer. It's under Libraries, Music, My Music. Scroll down to Unknown Artist. Unless you rename the artist, it's going to say Unknown Artist. And then go ahead and click on the title of the CD and click Upload and Confirm. And then it's going to take a second to upload, like so. And if you want to move it to anywhere within your drive, you can right-click and it'll say Move To. And it'll show you a list of possible locations.